The universe is consciousness. Now let's dive right in. Let's talk about manifestation. At its core, manifestation is the ability to create your reality using the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. You've probably heard the phrase, your thoughts become things. That's not just a catchy slogan, it's a principle backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science. Think of it like this. You wanted a new job, and suddenly the perfect opportunity opened up. Or you started visualizing a healthy, energized version of yourself, and months later, you're living it. Or maybe you wrote down your ideal partner, and someone walked into your life that matched your vision. These aren't coincidences. This is the law of attraction at work. Like attracts like. The energy you emit through your thoughts and emotions shapes the experiences you attract. Now, none of this works without clarity. Setting clear intentions is everything. When you know exactly what you want, you become a magnet for it. Clarity sends a powerful signal to the universe, and the universe responds. Let's talk affirmations. At the beginning, it's often helpful to start simple. Use one-word affirmations. Words like peace, abundance, health, love. Why? Because the subconscious doesn't resist what it doesn't have to rationalize. These words carry powerful frequencies and bypass inner resistance. Once you've aligned, then you can expand into full affirmations like, I am worthy of abundance. I am ready to receive love. I am aligned with my highest path. Then, write your intentions down. Get specific. Use a journal, a manifestation list, or even a vision board. When you write it, you claim it. You bring it into the physical world. Next, visualization. This is where it gets fun. Close your eyes and see yourself living your desired reality. Feel it, smell it, hear the sounds. Let it come alive in your imagination. But don't just visualize once and forget it. Make it a habit. Just a few minutes a day can rewire your brain, raise your vibration, and align you with the frequency of what you desire. And the secret ingredient? Emotion. Feel the joy, the excitement, the gratitude, as if it's already yours. Now, here's the part many people miss. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting. You must take inspired action. Follow your intuition. Take steps that move you in the direction of your goal. But after the action, let go. Release the need to control how it happens. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Trust the universe. And always, always practice gratitude. Gratitude is a magnet for miracles. When you appreciate what you have, you open the door for more. If you're just starting out, keep it simple. Manifest something small, a cup of coffee, a free parking spot, a compliment. These little wins build your belief. And if you feel stuck, check in with yourself. Are you holding on to limiting beliefs? Do you believe you're worthy of receiving what you're asking for? Be patient. Be persistent. You're not doing it wrong just because it takes time. Remember, manifestation is a lifestyle, not a one-time event. If this helped you, please like, share, and save this video. And if you haven't already, follow or subscribe for more insights and inspirations. And remember, the universe is consciousness.